Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can upload videos to your library on Canva and use them for your video projects. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do first, guys, is head over to Canva, log into your account. And what you want to do after that is click on Create a Design in the top left corner and select your design category. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to create a video project. So select videos and next the content subcategory, like for instance mobile video or TikTok video and so on and so forth. So let me go with that one here with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 px. So on the next page, start creating your video. For example, if you scroll down here on the left sidebar, you can access a Canva's video library, or alternatively, guys, to upload some of your own recorded videos or videos sourced from external sites like stock media platforms, for instance, like Pixabay and so on and so forth. On uploads and next select videos here. Click on this upload files button at the top and locate the video clip on your computer. So let me go with that travel video for demonstration purposes. Next, wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a while depending on the file size and the video duration, of course. So once your video has been uploaded to your library, you can add it to your video project, adjust its size and position, and keep customizing and editing it. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.